What's up, guys? Trev here, and today I'm taking a look at the Hot Wheels Red Line Club 1972 Chevy Nova SS, the Pro Street Nova. Going to unbox it. I've actually already cut the tape on it just to get a bit of a look at it. We're starting to wrap up the year for RLC. There's only a few drops left. There's the Christmas car, which is Countach, Cobra R. I think there's a Supra coming. Yeah, we're almost done. Here it is, the outer box. The art's really nice. Looks pretty good. Here's the Yanko SYC on the side. Mattel Creations, Red Line Club, metal on metal, Real Rider tires. There's your paragraph of cars. It's, of course, a Pro Street Nova. So this thing's going to be hitting the drag strip. And it mentions in the paragraph, the first use Real Riders Pro Strip wheels. Yes, these are new Real Riders. Hot Wheels has been doing this. They did it with the Mura, had a new wheel on that, and they did it on the SR5. That also had a new one. I think the SR5 wheel is on the upcoming Bronco and Boulevard as well. All right, getting it off the base. It is screwed in. See what if I'm gonna have to use my smaller screwdriver or not. Let's see if I can use the big one. No, that's not gonna happen. Oh, that's why I brought the smaller one, just in case. Yeah, all right. Maybe I should just use the smaller one from here on out because the old big red one is just, well, it's too big. All right, that one is the back screw there with the plastic insert. I'm going to lay this in a way where I know which one's front and back. I'm gonna lay it like that. All right. Let's get the other screw. So obviously this is a very classic kind of Hot Wheels car to do a 70s Nova, Pro Street Nova. You know, hitting the drag strip. Muscle cars have always been Hot Wheels bread and butter. For a while it was what was popular. Then we had a bunch of newer stuff come along, like, you know, Euro and JDM and all that stuff. Okay, here's the car. So you do get Goodyear tire printing on the back, and it is a new wheel. It is this kind of 8-hole wheel. So you have the really thick slicks in the front, the small ones in the back. You have the slicks. Front, you have the really small ones. It is a brand new wheel. First time we are seeing it on this model. And, oh, okay. All right. There's some weird stuff on the tire. Hopefully that comes off. The base has some detail. See the exhaust. There you can see more details on the bottom. More detail. Here's the front hood. You can see the SS, the Chevy badge, the headlights, the chrome grille, which is really cool, and the bumper. This side, you have the Yanko SC stripe going along the side, carrying onto the hood. Matched up pretty good. It's all right. You have Nova and Yank on there. Might be a bit of Tampo slide on this side because that does look a little crooked. Yeah, I think there is Tampo slide. Because here it actually looks nice and straight. See how it looks nice and straight on there, and how the Chevy, the Yanko and the Nova badges are on straight like that. Of this side, yeah, notice how it's tilted. So I think there's a bit of Tampo slide on this side, so it doesn't quite perfectly line up. From a distance, it looks fine, but when you get up and close, you do notice it. You have some silver window trim there. There's the back Yank Go, the license plate, very punny. SS. You have the taillights. Nova. Is that a keyhole for the trunk? You have a roll cage in there. It's a separate piece, and it's chrome, so that looks really nice. Here's the interior. Ooh, the interior's nice. The seats are detailed. You have the belts. Is that a nitrous bottle down there in the middle? That's actually also detailed. There is a mosquito flying around me. It's still mosquito season. The steering wheel is actually chromed there. I'm going to try and get a better look at the interior. Yeah, you can see the steering wheel is actually chromed there. So you actually have quite a bit of detail, which is really cool to see. And the party trick on this guy is the hood comes off. And I wonder how it comes off. Okay, you just kind of pull it. It is a removable hood, not an opening hood. And I'm trying to get it to come off. I got it. How do you pull this off? I'm like finagling with it. Well, it wants to come off. You can see it's trying, but it's Okay, this is a very integral part of the casting and needs to come off. You can see it so this is, like I said, it is a removable hood, so it's not like an opening part. And I can't seem to figure out how this comes off of the... Okay, well, it came off. That was a bit scary. Looks like there's 2 pins in the front here that kind of lock it into... How does it, like, lock in there? Does it just... Very interesting. Okay, well, we got it off. Hopefully it didn't damage it, because that was a bit of an aggressive pull. You have some engine details in there. My fingerprints all over it, trying to mess with it. You got some engine details in there, which is cool. Some nice detail in there. Not bad looking. And then you just put it back on. There's 2 pins there, so that holds it together, which I think those lifted off, but it was stuck on something else. Might be these plastic pieces. You know what? You know what I think it is? You pull it out, right? So I think you pull it, you lift it and you pull it. I think you pull it or something. Well, I'm trying to find a consistent way to get it off. I think it's the plastic piece there. I don't know. I think I just opened it enough and it comes off. Yeah, well, the hood comes off, and that's cool. I do like that. Bit nerve-wracking getting it off, just trying not to break it. All right, and that is the Nova. Got fingerprints all over the darn thing. It is in a nice Spectre Flame purple, and you can see, well, there's the reflection, and all those fingerprints, which I gotta wipe off later. This is a nice one. I do like it. This was probably my most anticipated release of the year for RLC. I was just really excited for a Pro Street Nova. This is definitely something you'd see at like a drag and drive event where, you know, cars would drive from racetrack to racetrack. Of course, this is going to roll. It's a Hot Wheel. Goes from racetrack to racetrack, pulls up to the drag strip on the quarter mile. Very nice casting. Love the execution. Love the new wheels. And I really dig this one. This is just classic Hot Wheels. Classic Hot Wheels casting. It's got some good detail in it. It's got a nice little removable piece. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Got some striping on the hood there. I don't know if I showed that off, but yeah, that is the 1972 Chevy Nova SS, the Pro Street Nova. Really nice release, and yeah, like I said, this was my most anticipated one of the year, and I absolutely dig it.